The Lok Sabha on Wednesday passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act 2025. The bill, which was tabled in the cabinet today, sets out to outlaw all money-based online games irrespective of whether they involve skill or chance. Under the bill, platforms like Dream 11, My 11 Circle, MPL, Winzo, Gamescraft, 99 Games, Khelo Fantasy, Games 24x7, Pokerbazi, Rummy and Pari Match is going to be prohibited. About 4 lakh companies, 2 lakh jobs, investment worth 25,000 crore rupees and annual GST collection of 20,000 crore rupees may be threatened. The country's online gaming market is currently valued at $3.7 billion and is projected to more than double to $9.1 billion in 2029. However, 86% of today's revenue comes from real money format games. Gaming executives expressed their concern, saying that the ban could be the death of the gaming industry. The All India Gaming Federation, the E-Gaming Federation and the Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports had written to Union Home Minister Amit Shah asking for urgent intervention on the proposed bill. The gaming body earlier stressed that instead of banning, the government should have focused on progressive regulation. They said that a blanket ban is going to be a death knell for the industry and could affect millions of players and harm the sector. One official from a leading company that operates in fantasy gaming, which involves real money play, said that the government had not engaged or consulted with the sector before proposing the bill. Experts also said that fantasy gaming sponsorships play a major role in supporting domestic sports. State and city level T20 leagues depend on sponsorships from the real money gaming sector to survive. This step could also weaken the talent pipeline for Indian cricket. Many companies stress that the big players in the gaming industry in India, who are regulated and funded through foreign direct investment, do not engage in illegal practices like betting, money laundering and gambling. Dream 11, Gamescraft, Games 24x7, MPL, Zupi and Winzo are considered leading firms in the space.